Hello everyone, I am going to say a story of a boy. The boy was living in Salem. Salem is famous for Malgova mangoes and the largest manufacturer of steels. That boy completed his entire schooling in KRP Matriculation Higher Secondary School located near Namakkal. And after his schooling, he decided to join engineering. For that, he applied to join in SNS College of Engineering. He currently pursuing BE Triple in SNS College of Engineering. In his college days, he had done two mini projects named battery monitoring system and automatic cricket bowling machine. Besides academics, he was very much interested to play football. In football, he achieved the second runner-up position in Anna University Zonals conducted in Coimbatore. This boy also interested in coding. For that, he used to solve codings in LeetCode regularly. And this boy participated in paper presentation conducted in KJSL College of Technology, and he also participated in a workshop named EV Dynamics conducted in KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology. Recently, that boy participated in a project expo conducted in our college named Arthashastra. His project also shortlisted for the next round, and he got appreciation from the investors. He also completed various courses in the platform like Prepinsta, MOOC course, and that boy's hobbies is reading books in the free time, and he used to learn something new in the YouTube by making and projects, and he used to play football for his well fitness. His short-term goal is to complete his degree with required skills, and his long-term goal is to place in a good semiconductor company. And the entire story was about me. I am Dev. Thank you.